everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'm going to be creating a layout with some of the stamp and die sets from the new January release. I have picked out the Dainty Bouquet stamp set, which I also paired with a couple of sentiments from the other sets, like the All the Hearts stamp set. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp my flowers from the Dainty Bouquet set, and these are really easy to use and quite easy to line up, and the package already comes with an outline of which stamps go together. Now I decided to use greys and teal colors and some peachy pinks. For my grey I'm using Silver Lake. For my teal colors I'm using two tones, Dewdrop and Teal Cave. And for my pinks, I'm going for Pink Pearl and Vineyard Berry. And here I'm just starting with the first layer, which is in the grey, and then I'll be adding the Dewdrop and Teal, and then the Pink Pearl and Vineyard Berry. I really like
now
all I have to do is
on the back
of the trifle card.
I do want several of these flowers,
and
I
love
using my
tones,
misty tool.
and
This
so
will
I
make
tried
it
to
a
pick
lot
colours
easier
which were
just to
very
line
similar.
up all those pretty stamps, and also to do several images at the same time.
So now that I have got my stamped images, all I have to do is cut them out, and this is going to be really simple because we have coordinating dies. So what I usually do is I place the die over the stamped image, and then I just stick it down with a little bit of tape. Washi tape is great because this is tape which isn't too sticky and it won't pull off any paper. I will have to run the smaller ones through my die cut machine a couple of times because I've got several of those, but the larger images are really easy to cut. And once I've got all my little images cut, I can start creating my layout. Now for my layout, I picked a polka dot background with lovely grey dots. This is from the Reflection scrapbook collection, and I also picked out some pattern papers which I cut into little strips from the Pastel Dreams 6x6 paper pack from Altenew. I am loving these paper packs. That are really good for scrapbooking and also for card making. I also had a couple of flowers which I had made for a previous project. These are layering dies, and they're from the Peony flower set, the Peony die set, and they were in the same pattern papers, so I just thought I'd pop them onto the layout as well. They just add a little bit of interest and detail. And when I'm finished with that, and I like the way how all my elements look, all I have to do is add a title and some journaling. And for this I'm going to be using a stamp set from the All the Hearts stamp set from this new release as well.
add a couple of small little details at the end. I doodled some lines around the layout itself, and I also added a couple of enamel dots from Altenew. And then I just popped down a little bit of journaling and my layout was finished. I hope you enjoyed this process video for Altenew, and I hope to see you back very soon. Don't forget to check out the blog if you need some more details on all the products used, and we also have some fun giveaways for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.